Hey, here we got some bushcraft knives, hunting knives. This one, all the prices in Danish crowns. File work all the way, a little mosaic pen, and file work here as well. The sheet is with a clip. You can get an eye or a strip on. If you want that, you can buy it extra. This is the sheet for this one. And all the knives are with Fileworks. All of these are deluxe edition. If you want something more simple without the Filework and the pins, send me a message. I make one for you. It's a bit cheaper if you don't want the Fileworks and the pins. So is it a simple knife? It costs less than 1950. And the sheet for this one is this, and this for this, and the black for the black one. This one doesn't have a sheet yet, but the price is with the sheet. And a matching sheet. Here as well, Filework all the way. And this one is a big chopper, and with Filework as well, and mosaic pen and olive wood. And a matching sheet, open here. And here's the big chopper. Every blade is tested on angler, so I know they will hold. And there is guarantee on everything as long as the smith lives and can make you a new one. So if you, I test the blade on angler, so you don't break the blades, but if the handle fall off or something like that, send me a message. I will fix it. Because I make tools that is meant to be used. This is not a fancy art knife. It is actually a usable knife. It looks cool at the same time. That's all for now. Bye bye from Denmark.